Reborn Jaguar XK could arrive as 4-seater F-Type. A new family of sports cars could be spawned. To the surprise of absolutely nobody, the Jaguar XK was killed off back in 2014 since the F-Type was effectively cannibalizing its sales. It looked like Jaguar wasn't planning to replace it, but recent reports have claimed the automaker wants to develop a new 4-seater GT based on the F-Type, leading to speculation that the beloved XK could be coming back from the dead. According to Autocar, plans to relaunch the Jaguar XK are gathering momentum. Jaguar's head of item methodology Hanno Kirner affirmed the organization is chipping away at a proposition to dispatch another scope of games autos drove by the reawakened XK. The way that Jaguar is thinking about propelling another scope of games autos may come as an unexpected when the E-Pace and F-Pace SUVs are completely ruling the automakers' deals. However, Kirner affirmed the organization is as yet dedicated to sports autos. The F-Type has been an immense achievement, he said. We adore sports autos, and I utilize the plural intentionally. Regardless of whether that is conveyed by a body variation or something different stays to be seen. However, until further notice allows, simply say that the body right is critical for us. A year ago, Jaguar's head of Plan Ian Callum likewise implied that work on a reawakened XK had started. I need a 2-seater, the F-Type, and a 2+2. We're taking a shot at something now. There's not all that much. However, we incite an outline, he told Autocar. It's trusted a plan idea for XK substitution was finished before the second age demonstrate was chopped out. However, this proposed venture is accepted to be totally new. In the event that it gets the green light, it isn't probably going to dispatch until no less than 2021. Kirner's remarks recommend that another games auto family is subject to JLR's cutting-edge stage procedure.